Hi everyone. So basically today I'm gonna make a video for the mobile version. This is a continuation for the for how to place a trade with your phone. So how you can do it? You go here on trade. You can use perpetual, which is here, or standard futures. I explained everything already. How you can calculate your positioning size. So you can do long or short. Here you choose the leverage. Yeah, you enter the price, the margin. Just say we can set 20 today. Let's see. Then you go here. You must go here. Take profit, stop loss. So what you do? You go here, take profit and stop loss. Here you have to swap. Or you can do also like that, but I think it's by price is better. Let's just see. We can set the stop loss at this level, 5944. 5944. See here, $2.50. We're gonna lose if price goes down there. And take profit just for the sake of video. I'm just gonna do something random. 61,900. 61,100. Or 900 actually. 900. That's how we do it. Okay. And then we can go along. We can take a trade. Now, same thing applies to USDM, which is perpetual futures. Here you can adjust the leverage. It's very simple. Put 6 again. Yeah, it's exactly the same. You go to advanced. Once you set up a price, you say 20. The same. Here's to long, here's to short. Exactly the same, guys. What you can also do if you want to buy some altcoins or any Bitcoin, anything. So you go here on spot. Here you can buy any coin you want. If you want to buy, let's just say Toncoin. You set, let's just say $20 USDT. Market means you're gonna pay at the actual market price, which is this is the current price. As soon as you buy, you will just buy $20 of Toncoins. I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys, and yeah, like and subscribe, please. Have a good day. Bye.